The Omerta encrypted SIM card works with many different network providers worldwide. In most instances, leaving your handset to automatically select network provider provides adequate results and you'll be able to make crystal clear phone calls. However, there are instances whereby you may wish to manually select a network provider, whether that be to get a stronger signal or because you've connected to a network provider we don't support. So, to select your network provider, simply slide down from the top of the screen, press and hold on the mobile data icon, and then from the mobile data settings, scroll down to Advanced, and here you'll see under Network, automatically select Network. Deactivate this, and then you'll be presented with a list of network providers. Simply touch on the one you wish to use, and away you go. Now, please note, network providers we support vary from country to country, and you will find relevant network provider instructions on this web page and with the accompanying user guide.